हमारे चैनल टिक्टल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल नोटिफिकेशंस को दबाएं और लेटेस्ट टेक वीडियोस सबसे पहले टिक्टल पे देखिए।
Hi friends, today we are here with something awesome. It's not a product, but it's something that would ease a lot of pressure from your head. And what is it? Okay, let's not keep it a secret. It's a list. Okay, what is the list about? Okay, if you wanted a gift or something to your boyfriend, your husband, some your male partner. So we have a list for it on this Valentine Day. So let's go ahead with the list and find out what awesome things we have.
Started. So we will be starting in the reverse order, which is 5th, and then we'll go to 4, 3, 2, and 1. So let's start with the 5th number. So on the 5th, we have a Sennheiser CX 180 earphones. These are best in quality, they feel great, and they have such an awesome build quality and with an awesome sound. So what's more, these are actually lightweight and they support 3.5mm jack. These are wired. These have a noise cancellation feature which is just awesome. In case you just want to get lost in the music somewhere, you're in a traffic jam, stuck in a traffic jam, and you want to get lost in the music, these are the best earphones you can gift and you can use also. So this is all about a CX180 Sennheiser earphones. So this is on the 5th, and let's go on to the 4th one, which is our iball music boat. This is shaped in a music boat design, and it's a portable music player which supports FM and even can work as alarm clock. And it has an LCD screen that shows the FM channel, volume levels, and the number of tracks that you're playing using the USB. Can even play music from the memory card, your pen drive, and can be connected with an aux. And it can support up to 100 channels on FM, and can even show number which is if it's even more than 100 plus, it can show that number of tracks. Like if it can go up to 999 tracks. Okay, it can show if the track number is 9999 or something like that. So it's a good thing, and it has a rechargeable battery which can be charged through USB. So it's lightweight and it's good, perfect for a gift. If you want to gift it to someone, then this is actually the best gift that you can give. Okay, so let's move on to the third one. So on the third, we have our which is called Sennheiser PX 80. This is our headphone which I generally use when I'm actually want to get lost in somewhere and just want am stuck into something and I just want to use it, so I would just go ahead and use it. So let me just talk about the features. It's lightweight, of course. It has got a noise cancellation feature. It's compatible with your both mobile, tablet, and it's an overhead, of course, and it's wired. It has a dynamic stereo mini headphones, and these are super aural headphones too. So this is about its features. So actually the basic thing is that it's a great sound. It has an awesome sound that you can get in this price range, which is below 1500 bucks. So it's a must buy product. I think you should go for it. So on the second, we have our product, which is a pen stand, and it contains a card keeper. Which is actually very good, and it has some metallic finish also. And we have a clock which is basically shaped in an apple form, and a pen which contains artificial diamonds. So this is a coolest set that can gift as a gift to someone, because it actually represents a lot of royalty, a lot of simplicity, and lot of smoothness in the gift. That's the thing. Smoothness is very much important along with simplicity. So that's what I prefer if I would gift it to someone. This is actually good. So in the first list and the first number, basically we have a perfume which is Armani Sport Coat, which is a very awesome perfume. It smells so nice that you can just compare with it. It has some citric scents in it, and some kind of smell that it presents some kind of citricness in it. So it's awesome. It's basically defines his strength and attitude of a refined man and underlying his masculine attributes. This perfume from Giorgio Armani creates a magical and seductive aura. This luxurious and celebrated scent lives up to the contemporary lifestyle of the modern man. So that's how the company defines it, and I even believe it because it's just awesome. It just smells awesome. So this is the list, and I hope you just like it. Please do subscribe our channel and stay tuned for more such updates. Thank you. Bye bye.